Hey y'all, what is up? It is me, DaBaby. Anyway, today I have a treat for you guys. Today I'm going to do a face and eye makeup tutorial about the Harley Quinn Birds of Prey makeup inspired look. Now, I'm doing this tutorial because I did see the Birds of Prey movie I think 2 months ago, and I felt really inspired to just do the makeup that Harley Quinn did in the movie because that shit came out dope. So we're just going to jump into it today. So we're going to start off by using, of course, my primer. We're going to use the Wet n Wild matte primer. I'm also probably going to combine that with the ELF, hold on, my camera's not really focusing, but I'm also probably going to use the ELF Glow Primer Stick, because I like this one too, because you can use it with or without makeup, so, and you could also use it, you know, just vice versa. So we're just going to start with the primer first, have a little dollop on my hand, and we're just going to rub that into the face. Need a little bit more. Just rubbing that all over the face to get that smooth skin, and taking over whatever areas I missed. I'm just going to use the primer stick to go over that, so.
Harley, but I'm in a Rari. Sorry, not sorry. Didn't say a peep, but I know them birds saw me. Tell your people to call me if it is about that chicken. The most wanted in Gotham. All your diamonds is missing. Oh, you thought I was kidding? This is...
So now that our face is clean and moisturized and primed, I'm just going to go in with some SFX face paint. I had gotten this off Wish, once again, a few months back, and I haven't had time to really experiment with all the colors. However, I did test some of them. As you could see in the palette, that's why it's a little messy. So to get that classic Harley Quinn look, we are just going to open this up. And I think I'm going to use probably this white shade right here. It's like a cream makeup. And I'm probably also going to use this shimmer white shade in case I start to run out. If anything, I might just combine the two. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use a beauty blender to apply it with, and also some face brushes. So we're just going to do that.
I ain't tryna. Yeah, ain't tryna be cool like you. Wobbling around in your high heel shoes, I'm clumsy. Made friends with the floor. 2 for 1, you know a bitch by 4. And 2 left feet, you know I always drop. First thing a girl did was a bop. And the whole damn cake and the cherry on top. Shook up the bottom, made a good girl pop. You ain't even here to party. Ken in the club tryna pipe a Barbie. I don't wanna go with the flow back then until I touch my toes. I don't wanna roll the boat. Wrist full of rocks and I hope I float. Big up yourself cause you know they don't. I chew cause they hope I show. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. On the after, you been the before. I've been the stallion, you've been the seahorse. Don't need a report, don't need a press run. All of my bad pics been all my best ones. I wear the hat and I wear the pants. I am advanced, so I get advanced. And I do my dance and cancel the plans. Said boo, don't be mad cause you had a chance. Yeah, said I took it and I ran for it. I win it and I stand on it. Money on the floor when we dance on it. Shine bright when I put a tan on it. Said I took it and I ran for it. I win it and I stand on it. Money on the floor when we dance on it. Shine bright when I put a tan on it. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch.
Now I'm just going to do the same thing with the eyes, and I'm also going to blend down the neck with this white face paint.
I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. Turn into a girl's best friend. Turn into a girl's best friend. Something good. to me, I ain't afraid to catch a case. BBS is on me and I flood it out the face. Turn to a girl's best friend. Turn to a girl's best friend. I don't need you, I got flooded out baguettes. I don't need you, all my diamonds dripping wet.
I'm a super shero, bitch, don't try me, ho. Bad like a villain, I pop it and then I reload. All the best things in life come for free, but don't you think that applies to me? I do what I want cause I know that I'm hot. I ain't a band, but you know how I rock. Don't need no papers to give you a chop. Took me to dinner, then I took 'em out. I like it when you call me crazy, long as you keep calling, baby. Think it's cute that I know how to shoot. Don't you scared if I point it at you? Broke up with my ex, dumped them in the text. Would wish you the best, but I already left. Date night with my bitches, getting real twisted. You know what you could do? Give my ass a bunch of kisses.
I love me this much, my pear shape all dripped up, it's freezing.
Do a second coat, and so that it could get over anything that didn't get any, like, you know, pigmentation or didn't get enough coverage. I'm just gonna go in with the white paint again, probably do a second coat over my face. So
Turn to a girl's best friend. Turn to a girl's best friend. I don't need you, I got flooded out baguettes. I don't need you, all my diamonds dripping wet.
I know how to work a gun, I don't need a range. And I can take a hit, I ain't scared of the pain. And I don't really bang, but I came with the gang. And if you get too close, I might snatch off your chain. Oh, you want me to be a little more ladylike? Come through with my girls and beat your ass on ladies' night. Ay, you don't wanna go toe to toe with my pedicure. Everyone you know be like, bro, how you handle her? Diamonds on my new boyfriend, so that mean I will never ever fuck with you again. And I ain't never need him, so it's so easy to leave him. And I be doing me, I ain't never tryna please him.
I love me this much, my pear shape all dripped up, it's freezing in my bag. Turn to a girl's best friend. Turn to a girl's best friend.
and now that we have our white base on, now we just need to set that in place. And to set it in place, I think I'm just gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution setting powder, and I'm also probably for my eyes, I'm probably just gonna use, I believe it says MK, so I believe it's Michael Kors. I'm just gonna use this Michael Kors white eyeshadow to go over my eyes in the small areas, and just use this for the face. And for that, a stippling brush and my big powder brush to blend it over and set the whole face, so that we really have that white base, and that it'll stay in place for the later makeup. Now, as you know, I normally would use this powder to bake, but since the face is already white, there really isn't much to bake after all. So we're just going to dab in that lightly. Make sure you're careful with this product too, because this product can get everywhere. Really make sure you blow off that excess. Now, I'm just trying to go over it using light circular motions, because I also don't want the cream to go too hard, so that I do not want to accidentally rip through the cream base makeup. So, because you know, that would kind of ruin the effect, and that would just destroy the makeup. I'm also just kind of patting in it too as well. Also just gonna blend that down the neck.
I'm on that dirty deed, right along.
And I'm just gonna go with my stippling brush and go over any areas that I missed.
Conquering past that grind, stop until I run my future down. Stop until I run my future down. Stop until I run my future down. Wondering, got 'em wondering in my.
And when you're done, your hand should look like this. Alright, now to set the eyes, just gonna go in with that white eyeshadow.
If you know what's good for you, learn to recognize. I got a fever, bitches know me better.
Alright, just set the eyes in place using the Michael Kors white eyeshadow. Ooh. See that, y'all? It just tried to fucking jump out my hand. And yes, don't mind my hand that's just full of makeup. So I'm just going to do my brows off camera real quick, and we're going to return with the contour. Hey guys, I'm back. The brows are done. And anyway, one cheekbone is contoured because, not going to lie, off camera originally I was going to contour a different way, but I did kind of have a little bit of a contour malfunction. However, it is okay. We're going to pull through. We're just going to do this. We're going to keep making it. So for contour, I'm just going to going in with that cream based makeup again. We're going to go in with the white shade here, and we're going to mix it with the black to create like a gray color. I'm just going to do that on my hand. As you can see, I have a little bit right here, but I probably need more to do the whole face. So we're just going to mix the two together, and I'm just going to mix those two and contour the whole face. So, then with using a dampened beauty blender.
I gotta feel, bitches know me better.
Now guys, this probably looks crazy. However, when we blend it out, we're just going to tap it lightly. And we're just going to keep doing that in a repeated motion. Eventually it will blend itself out. Now as you can see, this kind of looks a little bit heavy, but don't worry, we still have some baking powder here on the brush, so we're just going to buff over that. And if you do, just dip into a little bit more white powder if you don't have enough on the brush, and just go over that. You could even use eyeshadow.
I've been on a lonely carpet ride. I've been smoking jasmine leaves inspired. Shorty, would you join me for one night? If you call me up, then I'm a slide. Roller coaster, I was roller coastering. Girl, you really got me spinning all the lines that I was spitting. Roller coaster, I was roller coastering. Girl, you really got me living. Fuck the little, you're the king. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. What you want yourself for licking, baby? You won't be my king. Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. Pretty, pretty kitty. Roll it back and throw the kitchen, baby. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Let me roll this silent sin. Winter roams into the wind. Bitter broken once again. On a whim, let's stay in again. Watch the leaves ascend. Pigment of your skin, won't you soak it in?
And guys, also pro tip, do not worry about being the neatest contour freak, because if you do remember about Harley Quinn is that she can be a little messy, so it's okay if you're a little messy, you know, just, once again, just take that powder, just blend it through, and just don't worry about it. Alright, let me finish and wrap up this contour. Alright, the contour is all finished. Time to move into the fun part, which is the eyeshadow. So we're going to create a red, fiery, pink kind of smoky eye that she was in the movie when she went to the club, and that she had that whole situation going on. So I'm going to dip into the shade Sexuality right here, and I'm just going to blend that into my crease using a blending brush.
Roller coaster, I was roller coastering. Girl, you really got me spinning all the lies that I was spitting. Roller coaster, I was roller coastering. Girl, you really got me living. Fuck the little, you're the king, kitty.
Now for going from the middle of the lid and going all over, we're going to pack on the red shade right here, which is Life. Now just going back in with the shade Sexuality and just buffing the red out. Now what I do like about this makeup look specifically is that the makeup look is so beautiful, yet however it's not actually that complicated to do yourself. Now for the brow highlight, I'm going to probably go in with the shade right here, Liberation. Now we're just going to peel this piece of tape back. And for the lower lash line, we are just going to use I'm going to use a black eyeliner, and I'm just going to use that on my waterline.
I need you now.
Now that that's done, we're going to take a black eyeshadow. We're going to take a small blending brush, and we're just going to buff that out. Now I'm just dipping very lightly into the black.
You throwing daggers at the crown, there's liquor falling from your mouth. I spit on silk to...
And I'm just going to take a small little packer brush, and I'm just going to lightly buff it even more.
Let me find out. Them Nike slippers with the flippers, man, you know what I'm about.
The next step is optional, so for the inner corner highlight, I'm probably just going to go in with the shade. I'm probably going to combine Stonewall and Healing.
About to find out. I need you now.
Alright, and for mascara, the Big Lashes, I believe this is by... Oh, just dropped the mascara. The Big T's Plumping Mascara. I believe it's by Booksome. I'm not sure if you're supposed to pronounce it like that, but that's how I pronounce it.
Watch it glisten. She always talking off my ear, now I'm about to make her listen. I grab her waist and pull her closer, had her sprout out.
And we're just going to do the same thing to the other eye off camera, and we'll be back. Hey y'all, I'm back. I did finish both eyes. I also did do some Harley Quinn's face tattoo with just some liquid eyeliner. I did a little heart right here and rotten. I would have explained how to do it in the video, but the video probably would have taken too long. However, I also did do some rhinestones on my eyebrows because she did have rhinestones on her one of her eyebrows in the movie. So I am going to explain how I did that. So for that, all I did, tweezers, and this is just a little pack of rhinestones. Normally I use these for my nails, so not saying that you should use whatever you use nail products for your face, but this was kind of all I had on me. At some point I probably am going to get some face tools, so I just used this. And I carefully pick the rhinestone. You want to pick them out carefully because sometimes they can fall out of this like little disc. So I just take the rhinestone and I take some liquid latex. Now the only reason why I use liquid latex is because it's the closest thing I had to like a sticky substance to make the rhinestone sticks. Normally, honestly, most makeup artists I see them using, I usually see them using lash glue, and I just put pretty much like a little dollop on the rhinestone right there, and pretty much if I see it might need more, then you might need to apply a little bit more than just do it. Just a little dollop. You don't want to apply too much though, because it can get a little sticky. And pretty much I just hold it right up to the brow, and I just hold it in place there for about 10 to 20 seconds. Now sometimes I just peel the tweezers off, and I just hold it in place with my finger like that. And that's how you just apply each of the rhinestones. And in a later tutorial, I will show you how to do drawings and little writings like that. I just didn't want to do it, like I said before, because I didn't want the video to be too long. So we are coming to the near end of the tutorial. We're going to do some lip gloss and highlight and some setting spray. So for lip gloss today, I'm going to be using, I believe this is, I think it's the Glam Life, or it's Glam Light, but we're just going to use this red lipstick. It is in the shade Eau de Palm. You see it's kind of fruity, it has these little fruit designs on it, which I like. And just gonna apply that on the lips.
Hey Panini, don't you be a meanie. Thought you wanted me to go, why you tryna keep me teeny? It's a dreamy, wished it on a genie. I got fans finally, ain't you wanting them to see me? I thought you want this for my life.
And for the highlight, we are going to use my L'Oreal Galaxy Glow Stick. It's like a very like space blue tinge highlight. See that kind of like silvery blue reflect? I like it for that reason. So we're just gonna apply that.
Girl, hush your mouth, you know I ain't got time for nothing but sex. She know I injured my right hand, so when I get behind, I use my left. She watched that Walker, Texas Ranger, say I remind her of Nas X. I'm talking Old Town Road, up my O's down low. They like girls, and I like girls 3 at a time, sometimes 4. And if my back and out all hundreds, and ain't no time, then I don't go. I be like, say to me what you want from me. Just say to me what you want from me.
And we'll be right back with the setting spray. Hey guys, I'm back, and I just added on a few accessories, some little spike earrings I got from, I believe, Hot Topic or Spencer's. And I actually do have the Bruce necklace she's wearing from the movie, not the exact one obviously, but this is actually not mine, it's actually my boyfriend's. I did get it for him back when the movie came out. I did get him the actual necklace, and I'm not gonna lie, it is pretty cute. Even has all like the little hooks and little accessories on it. I just think it's really cute. And you know, I did want to add some accessories because, you know, what would a Harley Quinn look be without some damn accessories? Anyway, so we're just gonna finish off this tutorial by using the e.l.f. Glow Dewy Mist. I did use this in my last video, and so we're just gonna give this a good shake, and we're just gonna set all this makeup. Do y'all like that sound? I do.
Hi y'all, hi hoes, how you doing? Don't mind me, I'm just grabbing snacks. Where is my chocolate? Literally, I don't even know where it is.
I'm about to put this in.
Carry on.
I'm about to put this in the bloopers of the video.
Carry on. I don't know where the frickin' chocolate bar is. I look like a crack addict looking for chocolate. Where is the chocolate bar?
I think it's... It's not even here. Hold on. Did I get moved over here? Found it.
Alright, bye y'all. Yeah, okay. Hope you didn't get an ass pick, but whatever.
Anyway, today that wraps up today's tutorial, and I hope you guys had fun creating this Harley Quinn tutorial. I know I did, honestly. I'm living for this. Like, this shit is hot. I feel like I'm about to go party, I'm about to go to the club, but can't go anywhere. Anyway, if you guys like this video and you want more content like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also, I will leave the link to my Snapchat and my Instagram down in the description. So please, if you like this content, consider subscribing. So I hope y'all had fun. So deuces.